The law of attraction holds the power to transform your life when practiced with dedication. And in just 3 days, you can shift your mindset and align your energy with the abundance you deserve. This plan is simple yet effective, providing a structured approach to manifesting your desires. Let's get started with day 1. Gratitude is the foundation of manifesting abundance. On day 1, begin your journey by focusing on what you already have. Gratitude shifts your energy from lack to abundance, opening the door for more blessings. Start your day with a gratitude list. Write down 10 things you're thankful for, no matter how small they may seem. From the sunlight streaming through your window to the people who support you, acknowledge each blessing. Feel the emotion of gratitude as you write. This emotional connection amplifies your vibrational frequency. Throughout the day, practice mindful gratitude. When you eat, savor each bite and appreciate the nourishment. When you interact with others, silently thank them for their presence in your life. Gratitude isn't just a thought, it's an experience. End the day by reflecting on the moments that brought you joy or peace. This reinforces the positive energy you've cultivated, setting a strong foundation for the next steps. Gratitude primes your mind to recognize abundance, creating fertile ground for manifestation. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifesting your desires. On day 2, immerse yourself in the life you want to create. See it, feel it, and believe it as if it's already yours. Set aside time for a focused visualization session. Close your eyes and picture yourself living your ideal life. Imagine the details, the sights, sounds, and feelings associated with your goals. And if you're manifesting financial success, picture the freedom it brings. And if it's love, feel the warmth of connection. Pair your visualization with affirmations. Speak statements that affirm your desires as present realities, such as "I am abundant," or "I attract love and harmony." Repeat these affirmations aloud or write them down. Affirmations reprogram your subconscious mind to align with your goals. Revisit your visualizations and affirmations throughout the day. The more vividly and frequently you engage with them, the stronger your energetic alignment becomes. This practice builds momentum, bringing your desires closer to reality. Manifestation isn't just about thoughts and feelings, it requires action. On day 3, focus on inspired action that aligns with your intentions. The universe responds to effort, especially when it's guided by intuition. Start your day by identifying 1 or 2 steps you can take toward your goals. These don't have to be monumental. Small, consistent actions compound over time. If you're working toward a new career, update your resume or network with like-minded professionals. If health is your goal, make a nourishing meal or go for a walk. Pay attention to signs and opportunities that come your way. The universe often guides us through synchronicities or unexpected openings. When you act on these nudges, you demonstrate trust in the process, which amplifies your manifestations. End day 3 with a sense of accomplishment and trust. Celebrate the actions you've taken and release attachment to the outcome. Knowing you've done your part allows the universe to work its magic. While this 3-day practice is a powerful start, manifestation is an ongoing process. Consistency ensures that the energy you've cultivated doesn't dissipate. Keep practicing gratitude, visualization, affirmations, and inspired action in your daily life. Rituals help sustain your focus. Consider keeping a manifestation journal where you record your progress, reflect on your feelings, and track the signs you notice. Celebrate small wins as they confirm your alignment with your desires. Keep in mind that patience is key. Some manifestations come quickly, while others require time to align with divine timing. Trust the process and continue nurturing your energy. Doubt is one of the biggest obstacles to manifestation. It creates resistance that can block your desires. Address doubts as they arise by countering them with faith and evidence of your progress. Reframe negative thoughts into positive affirmations. And for example, if you think this won't work for me, replace it with, I am deserving of abundance and it is on its way. Consistent positivity rewires your subconscious mind. Surround yourself with supportive influences. Engage with content that reinforces your belief in the law of attraction, and spend time with people who uplift you. Avoid negativity as it can lower your vibrational frequency. Manifestation is all about energy. When your thoughts, feelings, and actions are in harmony, you become a magnet for your desires. This alignment isn't about perfection, it's about intention and consistency. And take time to assess your energy throughout the day. If you feel off balance, use tools like meditation, deep breathing, or uplifting music to recalibrate. Recognize that even small shifts in energy can have a big impact. Your emotions are the fuel for manifestation. High vibration feelings like joy, love, and gratitude enhance your ability to attract what you desire, while negative emotions create blocks. Understanding and managing your emotional energy is key to success. Begin by becoming aware of your emotional state throughout the day. Are you feeling empowered and positive, or are fear and doubt creeping in? Awareness allows you to redirect your emotions when needed. If you notice negativity, engage in activities that uplift you. Listen to music, practice gratitude, or take a walk in nature. Journaling is another powerful tool. Write about how you feel and what triggers certain emotions. When you identify patterns, it becomes easier to shift your mindset and maintain higher vibrations. The more you nurture positive emotions, the more aligned you become with your manifestations. Emotional energy is not about suppressing negativity, but transforming it. Feelings like anger or sadness are natural. Acknowledge them, process them, and then let them go. By doing so, you clear the path for positivity to flourish. Your emotional energy is like a magnet, pulling your desires closer to you. By maintaining an emotional state that aligns with abundance, you strengthen your connection with the universe. Manifestation requires trust, not only in yourself, but also in the universe's timing and wisdom. Trust removes resistance, allowing your desires to flow toward you effortlessly. Start by releasing control over how and when your manifestation will happen. The universe often works in ways we can't predict, delivering what we need in unexpected forms. Focus on the what and let the universe handle the how. Affirm your trust daily. Statements like, "Everything is unfolding for my highest good," can help reinforce your belief in the process. The more you trust, the less energy you waste on worry or doubt, creating space for abundance. Patience is part of trust. Manifestations don't always appear immediately, but each step brings you closer. Look for signs that the universe is responding to your efforts. These might be synchronicities, opportunities, or even subtle feelings of alignment. Lastly, trust yourself. Believe in your worthiness to receive and in your ability to co-create with the universe. Self-doubt weakens the energy of manifestation, while self-belief strengthens it. One of the most challenging yet essential steps in manifestation is letting go of attachment to the outcome. Clinging too tightly to your desires can create resistance, slowing down the process. Letting go doesn't mean giving up. It means releasing fear and trusting that your desires will come to you. Focus on the feelings associated with your manifestation rather than obsessing over specific details. For example, instead of fixating on a particular job, concentrate on the joy and fulfillment you want it to bring. Practice detachment by shifting your focus to the present moment. Engage in activities that make you happy and fulfilled right now. This helps you align with the energy of abundance without creating resistance. Meditation and mindfulness are powerful tools for letting go. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your desires, then release them to the universe with gratitude. Trust that what is meant for you will find its way. The paradox of manifestation is that the more you let go, the faster your desires manifest. When you release attachment, you open yourself to receive in ways you never imagined. As you align with the energy of manifestation, you'll begin noticing synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that confirm you're on the right path. These signs from the universe guide and reassure you. Pay attention to patterns and recurring themes. Maybe you keep seeing the same number sequence or hearing a song that speaks to your current situation. These aren't random. They're messages from the universe encouraging you to stay aligned. Act on synchronicities when they appear. If an opportunity presents itself or a thought inspires action, follow through. These moments are often the universe's way of nudging you toward your manifestation. Synchronicities also serve as reminders to stay grateful and patient. They show that the universe is responding to your energy, even if the full manifestation hasn't arrived yet. Celebrate these small signs as victories along the way. The more you recognize and accept synchronicities, the more you'll feel connected to the universe. This connection strengthens your belief in the process and keeps you motivated to continue manifesting. Manifestation is a harmonious dance between intention, action, and trust. By following these steps, focusing on gratitude, visualization, inspired action, emotional alignment, and trust, you create a powerful foundation for attracting your desires. Each day you practice these principles, you strengthen your alignment with the universe. Celebrate your progress, remain patient, and trust that your desires are on their way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more insights that empower your journey. The universe is always working in your favor. You have the power to create the life you've always envisioned.